Hey everyone, enrich your vocabulary daily with Aamya Sachdeva. Do you like to make a lot of jokes? Are you often silly? Are you usually happy? If so, then you are a jocular person. The word of today is jocular. In this video, you will learn its meaning, synonyms, and example sentences using this word. So let's begin. Jocular is habitual fondness for jesting and joking. The synonyms of this word can be humorous, witty, hilarious, and comical. Let us see how this word is used in different sentences. Her jocular personality always made the customers smile. Next sentence, known for making funny faces, the jocular boy entertained everyone in the class. Next, hoping to ease up the audience, the host tried being a little more jocular by telling jokes. Well, Mr. Bean has a jocular personality which brings joy and laughter to the world that makes people happy. So, have a cheerful learning. Kindly like, share and follow my channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you and stay blessed.